Hello children, let us continue with the chapter Long and Short. As I've told you earlier also, in the olden days when people had to measure length, they didn't have a fixed unit to measure. They used to use their hand span, cubit or foot span. But these units were not uniform or standardized. So, while measuring the same object, different people used to give different measurements for the same length. So, to be accurate, some uniformity was brought and standard units and devices were invented. Like I told you, in this chapter, we will be basically using centimeter, meter and kilometer. As you must be remembering, centimeter is a small unit of length. It is used to measure small lengths like a pencil or a pen. Meter is the standard unit of length. It is used to measure the length of little larger objects like length of a wall or cloth. Then kilometer is a big unit of length. It is mostly used to measure distances between two cities or maybe the length of a bridge. Now let us find out which of these things will be measured in centimeters or in meters. First is width of a computer screen. As it is a small device, it has a small screen, so we will use centimeters to measure it. Length of a pagdi worn by Sikhs, it is measured in meters. Height of a 1-year-old child, as the baby is small, so we will be measuring the height in centimeters. Length of a banana, you know it is small, so we will be measuring it in centimeters. Waist of an elephant. Elephants are huge, so we will be measuring its waist in meters. Height of a sugarcane, we will be measuring it again in meters. Depth of a well. Again, we will be measuring it in meters. Height of your mother, again in meters. Distance from classroom to your school gate. Again, it will be measured in meters. Length of your father's arm. Now, you will have to do it yourself. Find out and write it down. Trip to Agra. Mary and Baiching are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Cant railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Now look at the map and find out where Taj Mahal is, Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Babarpur Forest, Taj Forest and Agra Cant railway station. Well, in the picture you cannot see Fatehpur Sikri, but you can see the road which is leading to Fatehpur Sikri. Now let us observe the picture and answer a few questions. First, observe that Agra Cant railway station and Taj Mahal are at a distance of 5 kilometers. Now, from Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, the distance is 2 kilometers. Distance from Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri is 40 kilometers. Now, find from the map which is farther from Agra Cant railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri. Now look at the map. From the railway station, which one is farther? Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri? Because Fatehpur Sikri, you can just see the road leading to it, and it is given that it is 40 kilometers far from Agra Fort. So obviously the answer will be Fatehpur Sikri. Which of these is nearer? That means closer to the railway line. Babarpur Forest or Taj Forest? Look at the map again. Which is closer to the railway line? It is Babarpur Forest. Now, which of these is nearer to railway line? Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Look at the map. As it is told that from the railway station, Taj Mahal is 5 kilometers, and from Taj Mahal, the Agra Fort is 2 kilometers. Now, after looking at the picture, you will observe that Agra Fort is closer. Which is closer to River Yamuna? Taj Mahal or the railway station? Children, we all know that the wonderful monument Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of River Yamuna. Also in the picture you can see that. So obviously Taj Mahal is closer to River Yamuna. Now match the correct lengths. We will be doing number matching in this. We will be seeing the picture and thinking about the object and then try to find out what could be its length. Length of an earthworm. Would it be 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 centimeters, 1 centimeter or 1 meter? It would be 10 centimeters. Height of a child? It would be about 1 meters. Then width of a fingernail? It would be 1 centimeter as it is very small. Length of a sari? It is 5 meters. It is the length of a usual sari. In different states, different lengths of saris are used. Distance from home to school. Well, it would be different for different children. But here we have the option 2 kilometers, so we will mark it there. I hope you have understood the concept of meters, centimeters and kilometers. Happy learning!